Welcome to this year's special kindergarten graduation. We are delighted to come together in this very memorable way as we celebrate these 11 remarkable children. It has been our great pleasure to spend this time with many of them from the beginning of the little class until today, and to witness how unique and extraordinary each child is. Our entire community, parents, teachers, and staff celebrate each one of them today. Each beginning, middle, end leads to a new beginning. All of you kindergartners are ending your final year at MMS and starting a wonderful new beginning with many joyful learning experiences. We have been delighted to share this special and significant time with you. We wish you happiness and many, many, many wonderful moments as you continue your journeys.
Our school has chosen the sunflower as a symbol of childhood and the children we have come to know so well. A child's natural spirit blossoms bright and open, just like a sunflower. The rapid growth we have seen in these children is like the way sunflowers unfold so quickly from a tiny seed. Sunflowers are known to follow the sun as they grow, and children look to you, their family and teachers, for knowledge, guidance, support, and most of all, love. It is a Madison Montessori School kindergarten graduation tradition for the song Sunflower to be sung at this time.
Sunflower, sunflower, yellow and brown, you are the prettiest summer I found. Long, straight, full of grace, I love the light in your red yellow face.
It is a Madison Montessori School tradition for the graduates to honor their families for all the support that you have given to make this a special year. We hope you each enjoy the sunflower that was delivered to your home for this special occasion. We extend our gratitude for your support and partnership.
Our next song is dedicated to family. At MMS, we celebrate family every day. You truly inspire us. You found ways to grow, learn, live, and be together in remarkable ways at home. The loving, caring, learning, and sharing that we all do every day is something we cherish, especially this year. We are so grateful that your family chose us to journey with you during this incredible part of your childhood. Know that in life, your parents, grandparents, siblings, and beyond will be with you each step of the way to guide you, support you, discover with you, and love you.
I celebrate my family, people close to me. There are many branches in my family tree, loving, caring, loving, caring, helping, sharing, helping, sharing. I celebrate my family, people close to me.
So the next song you are going to hear is a song called This Is My School. It's a beautiful song that we sing a lot throughout the year. Enjoy.
This is my school, my place to work and play. My friends and I are living out each day, washing a table, polishing a cup. Every day I'm growing up. This is my school, my place to work and play.
We will now present the diplomas.
Mahi Bhatia.
Grace Collins. Olivia Drysdale. Ashley A. Kong. Grady Joseph Meenan. Naomi Willow Naftal. Cleopatra Josephine Nataro.
Ella Salas.
Arabella Sclera.
Max Sokolowski.
Sanjana Voletti.
It's time to graduate.
On behalf of everyone at Madison Montessori School, we celebrate your friendships, your learning, your creativity, your bravery, and most especially, everything that makes you uniquely and wonderfully you. Congratulations on an incredible kindergarten year.
It is with great joy that I present Madison Montessori Kindergarten graduates of 2020.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I never knew. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself,